How to verify your age on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can verify your age on YouTube. Now there's no such way of verifying your age on YouTube, but what you can do is you can at least make your age above 18 years, or you can be considered 18 years and above. So for that you need to go ahead and update your application first of all and log in into your YouTube account. Once logged into your YouTube account, it's going to take you to the official web page. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. While you're on this page, click on your profile name from the top right hand side and go to more about this channel. Tap the gear icon from the top right hand side corner and go to account. After that, you'll need to select the specific account for which you actually want to verify your age. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one. Now once again, tap the profile icon and go to Google account. It's gonna take you to the Google account and select the Google account. Right on this page, you need to go to personal info. So basically what you'll have to do is, in order to verify your age, you can change your date of birth. So go ahead and select date of birth. Accordingly, my age is above 18. So in order to make changes with your date, you need to make sure to change your date of birth as well, and then tap the save button right at the bottom, and accordingly you've verified your age on YouTube. So in this way you can verify your age on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.